There is nothing like a road trip, towing your own accommodation, exploring in the great outdoors, and the number of us holidaying this way is exploding. From the simple to the deluxe, 800,000 home away from homes are now registered on our roads here in Australia. And if you're lucky enough to own one of these, picture this. You're on holidays, you lock up the van, you go out and explore for the day, and when you come back, the van is gone. It has been stolen. Costly? Yes. Common? Sadly, more so than you'd think. And it's not just the missing van that's annoying.
If we came back and our caravan wasn't there, we've lost basically all our possessions at the moment, as well as a base or somewhere to go to, and it'd be full-time trying to work out a new plan in life, or very financially out of pocket.
Caravan theft is up 67% since 2022. It's a growing problem that's been in need of a serious solution, and finally, one bright spark has come up with one. Tony Madison is a keen caravaner and the CEO of WiTi. He's also the innovator of a must-have piece of tech for anyone holidaying with their van or their boat in tow. So what did people used to use, or what have people traditionally used to protect their caravans?
So traditionally it would have been a mechanical device. So you'd use a tow ball lock or a wheel clamp, but these are heavy and cumbersome, and with the advent of 12-volt power tools, very easy to disable. WiTi is based on the latest technology, so it uses an accelerometer and gyroscope in it, which is the same sort of technology as you find in drones. It's very, very sensitive to movement. So if somebody attempts to steal a caravan, it's going to detect that movement and do three things: flash all the lights, sound an alarm, and thirdly, and most importantly, lock the brakes, making it impossible to tow that caravan away. It includes an option to have GPS tracking. It also includes alerting, which we believe is really important. So if the alarm is triggered, it sends an alert to your mobile phone or to your email.
And then there's this feature.
We also have wireless technologies, hence the name WiTi, but these are wireless technologies that communicate back to the anti-theft system. Our first is our wireless brake controller. Instead of having a brake controller installed into your vehicle, it communicates to the anti-theft system and simply plugs into your 12-volt cigarette lighter socket in your tow vehicle. The other product is our wireless towing. And this is where the whole innovation started from. The wireless towing does away with the need for any cables between your tow vehicle and your caravan. So all your lighting and braking signals are transmitted wirelessly.
And it's an innovation that goes beyond caravans. It can be used to secure anything that you can tow: boats, trailers, horse floats. And its popularity is spreading, thanks in part to the work of caravan and camping retailers like Scott.
Caravans cost between 50 to 250,000, so it's a fair amount of money. What we're finding is most people are starting to install them before they have an issue. So once they've bought a caravan, they're installing before they even leave.
Even when you're just storing your van or your boat, I think these will become a must-have. And it'll be really interesting to see if insurers make them mandatory, like they did with car immobilisers. Now, the retail for around $1,000, and I happen to know there's a competition going to win one of these. Check out our socials and we'll direct you there.